Okay, I just woke up. Yeah. I'm doing a lot of videos. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Tell me in the comments if you want me to continue with these videos. And yeah. And good morning. It's in the morning right now. And just waking up and seeing